If you're tired of waiting around for your iPhone to charge, this Apple MFi certified 20W fast charger with a 10-foot USB-C cable is worth a look. Designed specifically for the iPhone 15, 16, and 17 series, this set delivers fast, reliable power so you can get back to what matters without long interruptions. What makes this charger stand out? It offers up to 20 watts of power, which means it charges your device up to 3 times faster than standard USB chargers. For example, your iPhone 15 or 17 can jump from 0 to 50% battery in just 30 minutes. That's a huge time saver when you're on the go or in a rush. Safety is a top priority here. This charger includes built-in protections against overvoltage, overheating, and overcharging. Advanced smart chips automatically adjust the current to suit your device, ensuring your iPhone or iPad charges quickly without risking damage or instability. The 10-foot USB-C to USB-C cable adds a new level of convenience. Whether you're lounging on the sofa, working at a cafe, or even outdoors, the extra length gives you freedom to use your device comfortably while it charges. No more being tethered close to the outlet. Compatibility is broad and impressive. This 3-pack works seamlessly with iPhone 15, 16, and 17 models, including Pro and Pro Max versions, as well as iPad Pro, 11-inch, iPad Air, iPad, 10th Gen, iPad mini, and even AirPods Pro, 2nd Gen. It's a versatile choice for anyone with multiple Apple devices. What you get in the box is straightforward: 3 20W USB-C charger blocks and 3 10-foot USB-C to USB-C cables, all in sleek white. It's a complete set that covers all your charging needs, whether at home, in the office, or on the road. Plus, Dream Team offers support if you have any questions. If you're ready to speed up your charging routine without compromising safety or convenience, this 3-pack charger and cable set fits the bill. It's designed to keep your Apple devices powered efficiently, so you spend less time plugged in and more time doing what you love. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference of fast, safe charging with cables long enough to keep you comfortable. For anyone using the latest iPhone or iPad, this Apple MFi certified 20W charger set is a smart, reliable upgrade.